You should see how I made this combat tank from cardboard. I will have you guys know, there's no fancy computer software planning in this project. Like all my projects, I made all the planning myself. So if you can, please contribute to my endeavors using cardboard and other recyclable materials for decorative purposes. Now, let's get to the build. So I started by looking up some pictures of tanks. Then after searching for a while, I found the perfect picture. So after finding the right picture, I got my tools and supplies and began the construction of the base. So after thinking for a bit, I got the idea of making a rectangular box for the start of the base. Then I made a slanted edge piece to put on top of the rectangular one. So after that, I wanted to start on the treads and wheels on the side. I then added a slanted edge piece to give it some depth. After that, I started making the operating room for the cannon and controls. Then I wanted to make the cannon. And this is the tank. All that was left to do was cover the whole thing in glue, and then let's add the details. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. If you can, please subscribe and see one of my other videos. Peace.